Time check guys, it's 3:40 plus. And nandito tayo ngayon sa airport. Kasama na kasama natin. Kaway ka na lang ito siya.
Hello!
It's our day 1 and mag-check-in po kami ng baggage na.
Windows po. Windows po.
Guys, immigration, success. Check na check. And first time sasakay na airplane si Nita.
Stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat in front of you. Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear.
Pag lumabas tayo rito, yun na yung katotohanan.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa labas ng Beijing and grabe guys, totoo talaga, nasa labas yung aircon, ang lamig!
In this 5 days tour here in Beijing, and this is our driver, Mr. Duan. So we're gonna be the group accompany with you this 5 days in Beijing. If you have any question, if you need any help, just feel free to let us know. Yeah. From here, we're gonna driving about 10 minutes to the restaurant.
So pupunta kami right now sa kainan, sa restaurant. And here mga kasama natin. And grabe guys, sobrang ganda. Terno-terno ako right now kasi buong paligid nakikita ko puro orange, puro yellow. It's very autumn, cold winter.